Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through fix speech services by Google downloading UK update waiting for network connection problem. So there are some solutions to solve it. The first one is to force stop the app. So for that, go to settings. Now go to apps. Click on manage apps. Now search for speech recognition, this option, and synthesis. Now just click the bottom left force stop option. Now after clicking it, just go back and in the settings option go to Google, scroll down and click on settings for Google Apps. Again click on the last option, search assistant and voice. Now click on voice and click on the last option, offline speech recognition. Now select auto update and select the first option, do not auto update language, and click on installed option. Now just uninstall the UK update. Now after that, here you can see all option, click on it, and here you can see English UK, click on it and download it again. It is downloading. Now if your problem is not solved yet, you can do another thing. Just go to Play Store and search for this app. Speech recognition and synthesis. Click on it. Just uninstall it and reinstall it again. Click on update. And after the update, your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can solve this problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.